So when your water heater breaks, first step is take all the water and clean it up off the floor. And you do that by leaving a towel in there to absorb all the water, and you squeegee it into a bucket, wring it out into a bucket, or you can wring it out outside. But this is the first step to how to replace a water heater. All the damage that was done by the leaking water heater, and my beautiful wife here is coming to help me, and she's gonna scrub off this mold and stuff when we go to the hardware store and get us a new water heater. Okay. Do you have a light?
You want to do this? I mean,
Sure.
I better than me.
Here, I can do it. I don't want you to hurt your shoulder.
No, I'm not. It's easy enough. Just go around a couple times and then just give it a little, tighten it a little bit.
I've used a tubing cutter, but for brake lines.
Right.
So I am familiar a little bit. But I am super glad that you guys showed up to help me. Because this was, just looking in here, it was just an overwhelming migraine. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Do you think this other one, like right here?
Well, you gotta have enough room to spin that around.
Yeah, I think right here it'll do, because if I go any further back, it's going to hit this.
Right, you'll be hitting that. You won't be able to spin it. Yeah, keep as close to the 90 as you can.
Okay.
Closer
Over this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because when this happened, I was just like, I couldn't even think straight. Cause you seen the car in the garage? Yeah, when I'm not watching Zoe, that's what I'm working on.
Hopefully this gas line's up.
Well, also, we got a flexible gas line now.
Yeah, but
Oh, you don't know if it'll fit?
yeah, it's going copper pipe. It's, like I said, I've never seen copper.
Well, apparently in the 1950s, that was code. And I have no idea how they did it because there's no shutoff. Like, there is no shutoff.
Well, you got the main outside. There's a shut off there.
Okay.
You can just bring a channel lock or something.
Well, this. Okay. Ooh.
Well, you don't have to worry about the inside.
No.
Just twist it and put it on and then just go around, go straight around. Just keep going in the one direction. Yeah.
Is it okay that it doesn't want to go through? Or- Yeah, it's just grabbing the wire brush. Like the wire brush is spinning inside of the plastic. That do too hard? It's not going nowhere.
I'll just keep going the same way with it, and then just work it all the columns.
Oh, yeah, it did work good. Do I need more than that?
If you can get further back.
Nah, I can't. It's just grabbing.
Well, I did bring some memory paper that we can go around it.
Sweet. Yeah, it does work good.
Just to keep the shoe shine. Drag it all the way around.
Okay, well, that's good. So right now we're using some sandpaper like Yeah, material
we'll
to
need some of
clean
that for
off
sure.
the tarnish and whatnot on the outside of the pipe.
All
We're
right,
about
compression
to
fitting.
fit some brass fittings, some compression fittings onto it, and it's absolutely imperative that you
Thank
have a clean surface to prevent leaks.
All the way up in there.
Yep.
Fitting is,
Yeah, it's all the way up in there. Like, it ain't going no more.
get one shot at that.
Thank you. Oh, great. Yours look just like mine.
Pull the one in the right. Leave the other one in one place.
That's it. Well, I didn't see it go a whole lot, but you want to try it?
I'm gonna keep them closer together. Let me see.
Brand new. Already breaking shit. All right.
Ready? Well, we'll see if it leaks.
Yep.
Pipe wrench.
Okay.
Go on a bigger nut.
And then I want to spin the big one, right?
Yes. Turn the big one towards you, just like you were doing.
Okay, this way.
And this one will go up under this nut.
Okay.
No, on the nut.
Oh, on the nut?
Yep. You want this on this nut. Okay, now you tighten yours. Hold this one in place.
Okay.
Because otherwise, all it's going to do is
Spin the whole thing.
you're going to spin the whole thing.
Snap the line. Come on.
That one you want fairly tight.
Okay.
This thing, this in. Make sure it's cabin there. Oh, different size.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, dang.
Thing. Oh, look at that.
Give me the bucket again. Oh, wait. At this point, I think I just need a towel. Maybe a towel would work fine.
Dry towel.
Is there any? I don't know.
These are all wet down here.
Okay.
For a cup. Something a little smaller.
This is your hand towel.
Sweet. Thank you. All right. So kind of like this, and
Yeah, you're gonna come up, around, and back up.
oh, go Mel, go! I think it's crossed. There you go. Now you're on.
Oh, we got that chimney.
Oh, we can't just pull it and like,
Well, we should be able to turn it out of the way.
yeah.
Chimney.
How we doing it?
Thank you. You want to put it on?
Yeah, we can.
Hmm. Well, I hope that don't cause an issue.
Put your fingers in there.
All right.
One last hose here. And then tape up
Okay. Do we need the white tape for this?
No, it's got a rubber.
Okay. Thank you. And
Towards you.
should I do another curly Q thing?
Towards you. I just wanted to stay away from that sawdust. Pliers and tighten those up. Those have the rubber gasket, so they don't have to be.
Super tight on them.
Once you fill it up, you get the hot water in there, you come back and you check it for leaks.
Mm-hmm.
You tweak it a little bit more if you need.
Is it bad that the compression bit's spinning?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that, it's probably not tight.
Okay. Um, so smaller angle, so I can get like more concise power.
Further your hands get away from each other.
Right here? That's good. Nice. So okay. Okay. Yeah.
There's water on?
Yes.
Fill up.
Okay, it's not trying to. Huh? Right. You got it. Where's that? Thank you. See, hold up here too. Yeah. Yeah, got a little more. Just right side. Yeah. Like that? And then. What? Oh. Yeah. Okay. And. There we go. Thank you. It's not right. Yeah, I'm not sure it's supposed to be right. I was very sure it wasn't. No, it is. It's just really slow.